Oh, you stay up there. Alright, y'all. So I rescued another Kirby today out of the garbage. So when I got this, the bag, which is in my bedroom, but the dirt tube was actually completely shredded. It doesn't have the original plug-in on it, as I will show you right here. It's been redone. So we're going to take this M-Tour off. Looks like they sucked up a lot of dirt when they were cleaned it out. Oh, here's something else I didn't even realize. This M-Tour is cracked. It's even cracked from here. Here, let me bring the camera over here. This M-Tour, it is cracked beyond belief, guys. Cracked at the bottom and cracked right there. And I was looking at the side. Okay, I didn't think this was in bad shape. Boy, did I get a rude awakening. So, I'm going to put this G5 cloth bag on it. Okay. So that's on there. Next thing I'm going to do is change the belt. Belt is bad. They super glue this thing in here. Might have to throw a power nozzle together. That's what was holding it in, was dirt. That is bad. That's one thing you do when you get used vacuums like this, or find them. I have never seen a Kirby this bad with brush roll. So, other than that, this don't appear to be in bad shape. thing is, people do not pay attention. That's what aggravates me. Okay. Okay. So now, the next thing we're going to do is, so we got the new bag on, which is a G5 bag. I'm not too worried about that. Other than that, there's nothing majorly wrong with it. It runs really well. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do is put the belt on. Because this belt here, it had, as you can see, that this belt is shot, so it's going in the garbage. Do I got a spare light bulb in here? Yes, I do. Cool. I'm not going to change it until I find out how well it's going to run with the new belt on it, and vice versa, which I'll probably change the light bulb tomorrow. I'm not going to do it today. So, we probably put this sucker in backwards. Okay. I might have to go get a different power nozzle. Okay. So now I got the new belt in. Now it's not going down in there because that. Looks like I bent the living daylights out of this rug plate, though. That's not even locking on there. I'm not worried about it. That's going to be another time, another day, Wait a minute. This whole bumper guard thing is all. think brush roll plate. Looks like my rug plate might be bent too. That's close enough. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. We get this thing running and we'll see how well it's actually going to work. There we go. Belt lifter stiff. Okay. So the next video is going to be maiden voyage time. And then we'll have a light. Pretty cool.